everyone. In today's class, I'm going to provide solution to this given question. Okay, so given that log x squared y base 10 equals 4 and log x raised to the power of over y raised to the power of 3 base 10 equals 18, find the value of log x base 10 and log y base 10. So for something like this, we are going to make use of three laws of logarithm. So let me just write that here for you to remember. So consider the law log x base p plus log y base p. This can be written as log xy base p. And we have another rule which is log x base p minus log y base p. This can be written as log x over y base p. Okay, so and lastly, we're still going to make use of this rule x raised to the power of n base p. This can be written as n log x base p. So these are the three rules that we're going to make use here while solving this question. Okay, so starting with the first equation, that will have log x squared y base 10 equals 4. Okay, so don't forget what you have here can be written in terms of this. Okay, and by implication, this becomes log x squared base 10 plus log y base 10 equals 4. Okay, by the time you apply the last rule there, this becomes 2 log x base 10 plus log y base 10 equals 4. So let's call this to be equation 1. So consider the second one where you have log x raised to the power of 4 over y raised to the power of 3 base 10 equals 18. Okay, this can also be written as log x to the power of 4 base 10 minus, since you have the division sign here, it changes to negative. Okay, so that becomes log y raised to the power of 3 base 10 equals 18. All right, now this can be written as log 4 log x base 10 minus 3 log y base 10 equals 18. So let's call this to be equation 2. So when you check the two equations we just obtained carefully, you realize that log x base 10 and log y base 10 are the terms in equation 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 are in terms of log x base 10 and log y base 10. So we can easily represent that to be p and q respectively. Okay, so we let log y base 10 or log x base 10 to be p and log y base 10 to be q. Exactly. So by substitution now, equation 1 becomes 2p plus q equals 4, while equation 2 becomes 4p minus 3q equals 18. So now we can now solve this simultaneously. Now let's use our elimination method. Multiply the equation 1 here by 3, okay, so that both the q here will have the same coefficients. So by doing that, you are gonna have 6p plus 3q equals 12. And equation 2 remains as 4p minus 3q equals 18. So take the sum of these equations. So by the time you do that, 6p plus 4p here becomes 10p. And of course, 3q cancel minus 3q. So we left with 12 plus 18, that's 30. So by that, we obtain p to be 3. So we've gotten value of p to be 3, so we can put that in equation 1 to get q. 2p plus q equals 4. Then 2 times 3 plus q equals 4. So we therefore obtain q to be what? 4 minus 6, then q equals what? Minus 2. So which implies that log x base 10 equals 3 and log y base 10 equals minus 2. And this is the solution to the given question. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.